Hello friends, welcome to our channel MV Logic. Today we are learn make a sentence. First one, school. I go to school every day. Second one, house. Second one, house. My house is very big. Third one, friend. Madhu is my best friend. Fourth one, teacher. We should respect our teacher. Fifth one, book. This is my science book. Sixth one, country. India is our country. Seventh one, tree. Tree gives us oxygen. Eighth one, horse. Horse run very fast. Ninth one, pencil. I write with the pencil. Do you like this video friends? Please like, share and subscribe our channel.